Hey, if you're like me, you want to have an incredible brain, a super brain. And that's why I call this the super brain quick tips right here. And so when it comes to enhancing your brain, there's a couple key things you need to do, and you need to do them right away. One is water and electrolytes. And so basically our body, we're a hydroelectric being, meaning that food itself does not give us energy. I mean, think about Thanksgiving, you eat this big meal, and how do you feel? You feel sluggish, right? If you eat a big meal, you're actually taking a lot of energy in order to digest that meal. If you just fast, do a lot of water and electrolytes, you'll notice your energy, your brain come alive. So wherever you're at right now, I'd recommend, unless you're eating a meal, I'd recommend drinking a glass of water and taking a very small pinch of salt and just putting that on your tongue, drink a glass of water. I think you'll notice that the energy and that your brain comes alive. You'll notice increased energy, increased mental focus, which will help with whatever you're doing. So do that right away, do that immediately. Number two is, tonight, prioritize your sleep. Sleep is when we detoxify our brain. We've got these glial cells, which are immune cells in our brain, and they actually detoxify the brain. They come alive when we're sleeping. And so in order to have a healthy, strong brain, we need to clean out the trash. I mean, think about your house. You never take the trash out, it gets really stinky, nobody wants to live there, right? And so it's the same thing with your brain. Really good sleep allows you to fully take out the trash. It's like getting the cleaners in there, they clean it up, now the house smells great, feels great, and it's same with your brain. Your brain comes alive. So really do your best to prioritize your sleep. And then number three is to make sure you're moving your body, in particular in novel ways. So doing things across your body where you take like your left arm, go to your right side, even just doing something like this where you're doing rotational movements can be really, really powerful for your brain. It helps link the two hemispheres, your right and left hemisphere of your brain, and that will give you enhanced mental energy, mental clarity, and mental focus. So again, 3 key tips: water and electrolytes, prioritizing your sleep, and then getting a little bit of movement. Particularly, any movement is good, but particularly incorporating movement across your body. You might take like your left hand, touch your right knee, do kind of a cross crawl. You might just even do rotational movements where you're really turning your body. I might go like this right here and go all the way around like that. And doing that sort of movement, again, is gonna enhance your mental juice, allow you to think sharper and clearer, and allow you to have a super brain. So go ahead and do that. I know you'll see tremendous value out of it. We'll see you on a future video. Be blessed.